Hey guys, it's Chris here. Today we're going to be unboxing, this. Wait, am I holding it backwards? No. So anyways, we're gonna, I do have a computer, but I don't know how to record. I have an editing app, so we're going to be doing videos on this thing soon. So anyways, for now we're going to do unboxing a new keyboard. I have to open it, so let's see. Oh, that looks good. Oh yeah, I have my phone on a monitor right there. I just put something to hold it. And here it is. The baby Lord. And it says level up. It says level up right here. Yeah, it's cool. I'm gonna pause the video. So I can connect this and then I'll show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, we're not doing a face reveal until 100 subscribers. Alright, so now, if you guys want to subscribe to see my face review. Alright, so I got it connected, and we're going to turn this to see how it tests like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm holding my phone this way, because I can't flip it back. So this is what it looks like when it's on. It's super amazing. Okay, how do I pause? Oh shoot, hold on. And it looks cool, right? So this is my complete setup. This is my mouse. I had this for a while. Oh yeah, I changed my computer wallpaper into a Robeats Best Mates. Oh yeah, I also have Steam. Okay, why me? Second of all, you guys probably know what I play on my computer. Yeah. Oh, if you guys liked the video, please subscribe. Okay, this is why I have so many ads on my computer. But I like my setup. It's really cool. Anyways, if we get 100 subscribers, I'll do a face review. If you guys want me to. So anyways, if you guys liked the video, please subscribe. And I'll do videos on here soon. On this bad boy right here. So if you guys liked the video, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.